Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now this is just a quick video to make the point that you can take the boy out of Nigeria, but you can never take the Nigerian out of the boy. So I'm going to play you a clip now. So there you saw in that clip Anthony Joshua, the world heavyweight champion from Britain, but originally born in Nigeria. I say originally, but of course born in Nigeria, but then of course moved to Britain at an early age. So there you saw Anthony Joshua making Eba, Eba. With I think the Efo Riro was to decide Eba, and he was encouraging his son to come and join in. And of course, when you are making Eba, what do you listen to? Sunny Ade. So there you have it. You can take the boy from Mushin or wherever he came from, Surulere or wherever, and put him in Hackney, but you can never take the Surulere or the Oshodi or the Oregun or the Ikeja out of the boy. And that is what we have now. So I'm very pleased to see Anthony Joshua sticking with his roots. And this is an encouragement to the rest of you who would come to England at the age of 40. And then after 2 weeks, you will change your accent and tell them that you are from Hampstead or something. And then suddenly you are talking in this funny tone of voice. It is not necessary. There you have Anthony Joshua. His age was in the single digits when he came to the UK. He's almost 30 now. I think I don't know what age he is. He's either 30 or in his early 30s or late 20s. But there you have him making a bar and listening to Sunny Ade. So what is your own that you came to England at the age of 35, at the age of 42, at the age of 26, and suddenly after a year or so you change your accent and you are talking funny and you're acting funny, and suddenly your diet is chips and you don't even know what a bar is anymore. You don't know how to hold it, and you hold it and you say ew, get lost, So there you have it now. So Anthony Joshua, well done to you, and the rest of you, the pretenders. I don't want to use swear words on my channel, but you know what I'm thinking. So what do you think? Anthony Joshua eating Eba. Well done, Josh. So let's have conversations about Eba eating now in the comment section. Yes, the channel has now turned to that. We're now having conversations about eating Eba. So let's come have a chat about it in the comment section. But before you come have a chat with me about it in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then let's have this fun conversation in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I'll say peace.